7th President of the Philippines, which is Ramon Magsaysay. So, who is Ramon Magsaysay? Ramon Magsaysay from 1953 to 1957. So, Ramon Magsaysay born on August 31, 1907, and he died on March 17, 1957. So the greatest contribution from Magsaysay in the Philippines is to successfully defeating the communists led by Huk Balahap. So second is Carlos P. Garcia. His president term from 1957 to 1961. So Carlos P. Garcia, born on November 14, 1846, and he died on June 19, 1971. So the greatest contribution of President Carlos P. Garcia in the Philippines is for his first Filipino policy that championed economic independence, national pride, and advancement of Filipinos industries. So next is President Diosdado Pangamacapagal, serving from 1961 to 1965. So President Diosdado Macapagal, known for its country's first land reform law, placed the peso on the free currency exchange market and liberalized foreign exchange import control. So next is the 10th President of the Philippines, which is Ferdinand Emmanuel Edralin Marcos Sr. Served the 10th and longest serving president from 1965 to 1986. So the greatest contribution of Marcos Sr. in the Philippines is infrastructure development, safeguarding the country against the communists, and international diplomacy. So next is the 11th President of the Philippines, which is Maria Corazon Cojuangco Aquino, or Cory Aquino. So President Cory Aquino is the first woman president, serving from 1986 to 1982. So she was the most prominent figure of 1986 People Power Revolution, which ended the two-decade rule of President Ferdinand Marcos, led to establishment of the current Democratic Fifth Republic of the Philippines. So next is the 12th President of the Philippines, which is Fidel B. Ramos. So Fidel B. Ramos served on 1992 to 1988. So Fidel B. Ramos, known for his one of his notable program was Philippine 2000, which aimed to transform the nation into a newly industrialized economy by year 2000. So next is the 13th President of the Philippines, which is Joseph Ejercito Estrada. So President Ejercito Estrada served 1988 until his removal on 2001. So President Joseph Ejercito Estrada, known for created the Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Task Force to minimize the crime rate on the Philippines. Next is Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. So she is the longest serving president since Ferdinand Marcos served on 2001 to 2010. So, Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, known for his filed over 400 bills and authored or sponsored 55 laws, including anti-sexual harassment law and indigenous people right law. So next is the 15th President of the Philippines, which is Benigno Aquino III. So President Benigno Aquino III served on 2010 to 2026. So the greatest contribution of President Benigno Aquino III on health is pass major health laws including Reproductive Health Act, expanded PhilHealth coverage, and increased health funding through the Sin Tax Law. So next is the 16th President of the Philippines, which is President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. So President Duterte served on 2016 to 2022. So President Rodrigo Roa Duterte focused on crackdown on illegal drugs and corruption.